In this video, I will show you the Gridify trick that lets you place multiple images in just a few clicks. As you can see, I have several images ready to import. Go to File menu, Place. Select all the images you want to use and click Open. Now, click and hold your mouse button and start dragging on the page. Press the up arrow key to add more row and the right arrow key to add more columns. Simply release the mouse key and that's it. All your images are automatically placed in a perfectly aligned grid. Thanks for watching. Follow more Adobe InDesign tips, tricks and time-saving tutorial.